Welcome to another live trading session, day in the life of Prodigy, day in the life of a day trader, day in the life of a part-time trader, trying to go full-time millionaire soon. Currently just trading stocks real early in the morning. We got our cup of joe. As you can see, we got the lighting a little bit better. We got the background light set perfectly. Took some calls on NVIDIA this morning. Wish I would have held because that thing rocketed like crazy. And then I managed to take another nice EMA retest. Called it out in the Discord that I'm waiting to take calls again on a 9 EMA retest, and I entered it for a quick 10%, but now they're currently up about 30%, so I wish I would have held all my contracts. Just printed 15% on some Tesla puts with the most easiest breakdown in the world, literally on a 15-minute time frame. Broke below pre-market high and the 9 and 21 EMAs. That's two reasons to enter puts. Entered, easy 15% gain. Called it out on the Discord too, literally mentioned that I was gonna take last trade, puts below, and you can see we printed nicely. About to just wrap it up there for today. Head to work. Currently 8:58. I would just wait for our coworker about to do work things. So if you want, you can just skip ahead on this video and skip to where I'm about to go and talk about trading as well as what happened. Maybe even a trade idea for what I think is going to happen tomorrow. Because I was correct today on what was going to happen today, except on NVIDIA. I was trying to take puts on NVIDIA today, but instead we got calls. We got the bulls today. But I did say SPY has room to run tomorrow due to a 4-hour breakout, which I'm about to show you guys here. After it broke out, I expected some more push to the upside because there's just no way we're going to break 4 hours and then make a small move. Like I said, the higher the time frame, the stronger the move. So on the 4-hour, it literally pumped up pretty nicely. And we didn't take calls on SPY, but we took calls on NVIDIA. And since NVIDIA broke a specific resistance level and SPY was already bullish, it just happened to be easier to take calls on NVIDIA. And that's what I mean, guys. Follow the trend. The trend is literally your friend. Quick stock tip of the day, 101. Boom. There you go. About to take the seat out of it. Just lift it. Boom, boom, pow. Just got out of work, and yes, we're hitting the fucking gym this time. Because you know what? Last time I said F the gym. I'm too tired. Fuck that. We're going. So this is what I mean. I barely work. I'm part-time practically. I was full-time working from like 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. But now it's literally only 9 a.m. to what? 1 p.m., 2 p.m. Work less hours. It gives me more time to work on what I have going on. Outside of job life, outside of the 9 to 5, I have an online community I'm trying to run. Working towards becoming a full-time trader. Just got back from the gym. Gonna chart up now and edit some videos for a couple hours. Just gonna update the economic news tab as well as post a couple trade ideas that I see for tomorrow, like the same setups that I saw for today with NVIDIA. Hopefully we can catch some same stuff like that for tomorrow. So I have no trade ideas, no plans, other than potential reject at potential levels because we're approaching a couple resistance levels. Right now we're in like no man's land, in my opinion. It's kind of just in the middle of nowhere, but there's a couple resistance levels that we are approaching. So I'm just going to wait for those. I will try to live trade, maybe catch some trades, post something if I can. Golden Wolf did post a good idea in the trade floor, suggesting that Apple has a nice gap to the downside. Also, we're approaching a nice trend line on the daily, so potential short idea on Apple. All I have is just no trade ideas, really. So we'll just keep you guys updated as we go tomorrow. Have a great rest of your guys' day.